Depression has been hitting our society since the past few years, and most of all ये youngsters को बहुत ज़्यादा affect कर रहा है. And if I look back a few decades back, तो such problems didn't exist. People were so strong and they were so busy that they didn't have the time to think about all this. Now, I do understand that people would say that problems exist, आती हैं, and first of all, answer बहुत सारे लोगों का ये भी होगा evolution. Now, I do understand the answer evolution. Evolution means progress. So, if we're getting advancements, if we're getting progress, तो हमें फिर बहुत बाकी एजेस से जो हमारी जितनी ओल्ड एजेस है वहाँ से लेकर अगर अब तक हम देखें तो एवोल्यूशन है, एवोल्यूशन इज कमिंग और डेवलपमेंट्स हो रही हैं, बट एवोल्यूशन का मतलब होता है कि हमें फिर बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पॉजिटिव वे से प्रोग्रेस करना चाहिए था, बट दैट्स नॉट हैपनिंग. इंस्टेड वी आर डिटोरिएटिंग. सो एवोल्यूशन मीन्स प्रोग्रेस, नॉट डिटोरिएशन. If I summarize all this, then I have only one answer, and that is your willpower. Now, I know there are numerous problems, that doesn't matter. But the thing that matters is your willpower. And right now, I'm only talking about the severe cases जो अब निकल रहे हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा problems अब arise हो रही हैं, जो बहुत mainstream problems हैं. Willpower इतना बड़ा role play करती है that you cannot even imagine. If you have a strong willpower, you can do magic, you can do wonders. And you can overcome each and every problem and nothing can stop you if you have a good willpower. You need to be strong. जिस तरह कहते हैं ना physical strength बहुत ज़रूरी है, उसी तरह mental health बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. So practice on your willpower, be strong, be confident, and you can do wonders.